Hi guys, right now I will show you how to open the rear door in Hyundai Venue. You will see this small slot in the rear door. This is where we have to insert our screwdriver, and inside there is a small white latch. I'm not sure if it's visible or not, but in general what you need to do is insert the screwdriver like this and pull it to the right, and as you can see our door opens and our door is open. So in case if you guys have a problem with the actuator in this lock, or the 12-volt battery in the vehicle is dead, this allows you to open the door. And I'll do it one more time. I will insert the screwdriver and simply pull this one to the right like this, and you can see the lock here.